Hey, this is Robert at Guzzi Fabrication. We're right in the middle of a restoration on a 1971 Cuda, and I have a restoration tip for you. Why you always remove the lead out of the factory seams. And let me show you why. Okay, we're going to reveal the lead first off. We've got an 8-inch orbital with 36 grit. We're going to get that paint top surface off and reveal the lead. Okay, you can see the two different colors there. It's a seam, and that lighter color is the lead. And we're just going to use a little propane torch. Now lead melts at around 327 degrees, and steel will melt around 2500 degrees. So the lead's going to come out pretty easily. And we'll just get it started there to show you. And now this is how I usually remove the lead. I'll use two. One is the heat, and then one is the to melt the lead out of the seam. Actually, this method works really well. You never want to camp out on the metal for too long, and you can start to see the seam being revealed. Just going to go ahead and get that all out of the way. Now I always save the lead because we do offer a lead service here for people who want to do lead work or reinstall the lead for a very factory correct restoration. And there's the seam where the upper quarter panel mates to the roof skin. Okay, now I've got a wire wheel. Now that shiny part is where they had tinned the lead. But now we have the seam completely revealed. And let me show you what we have found. A lot of times there is going to be rust that has formed, rust holes under the lead. So if you don't get that lead or remove it when a restoration is being done or work's being done to the vehicle, well, you missed a major part, because there's going to be lead. You get your restoration done, and then in a few years that starts pushing that lead out, and you'll see it break through the paint. Yeah, that's not what you want to have happen. And here's the amount of lead that come out of that seam and on the other side. Now I've got a video of how I make my own lead sticks. That's in my playlist. You check that out. But yeah, that's quite a bit of lead, man. And we will reuse that. Hey, check out all my other videos on YouTube. I'm over 152 now. Thanks for all my supporters. Hit that like and subscribe. Leave a comment. And as always, thank you for watching.